So in this video, I want to show you how you can buy USDT and swap the USDT for BNB on MEXC exchange. Okay, I use MEXC these days because the traders, they are not as greedy as some exchanges. Okay, I've tried using some other exchanges. The traders will be asking for extra money. All right, so I switched to MEXC because the traders there send you the money the way it should be, or you pay them as it should be. They don't ask you for extra money the way some people will do on other exchange. Even though their network is sometimes slower than Bybit and others, they still deliver. Okay, so I want to use MEXC now to show you how you can buy USDT and then convert the USDT to BNB and send it to a wallet. So let's go into it. First of all, you open the MEXC. MEXC is a centralized exchange, and you have to sign up for you to be able to use it, just like your bank account. Right, you need to do your necessary KYC, your name, your email, your NIN or BVN. All right, because they need to know who you are before you can trade on their platform. It's the same thing with Bybit. If you are buying on Bybit or Binance, it's the same thing. You have to do KYC. So I've already done my own KYC. If you have not done yours, you can just do it. Okay, just download MEXC or Bybit on your app store and then set up. Once you are done and you are verified, you can now start trading on the platform. So on MEXC, to buy with your Naira, to buy USDT with your Naira, you click on deposit. If it's Bybit, you will see something like P2P down here. All right, but on MEXC, it's kind of hidden. It's here. So once you click on deposit, you'll be able to see the P2P. This is P2P. Okay, P2P is where you can sell your USDT and where you can buy your USDT. Okay, so if you make any money from any platform and you want to sell it, you click on here to sell it. If you want to buy USDT, you also click on here to buy. So if you click on P2P, it will bring you to a dashboard like this. Okay, you will see two sections. All right, it's loading. I told you your network is kind of slow sometimes, but it still serves me. So you see two sections, buy and sell. So buy and sell. If you want to buy, let's say you have Naira and you want to buy USDT, you click here. If you have USDT and you want to sell it to Naira, you click here. Do you understand? So don't worry about these two boxes you are seeing here. Okay, sometimes it could be a restriction or sometimes it could be a particular demand. So to be clear, because what I want to do now, I want to buy. So what you do is you put the diameter, the parameters of what you want to do, how much you want to buy, and then the payment method. So if you put it to scan out all of this for you. Okay, so I'll click on amount. I just want to buy 5,000 for the purpose of this training. Confirm. Then I want to click the payment method, which is bank transfer. I just do bank transfer. Then I'll confirm. Okay, once it's done, you will see different traders. These are the different traders that you can buy from. So I want to buy from this guy. His price kind of is better for me to buy from me. He's selling for 1.4. Oh no. He's buying. I will buy the USDT at the rate of 1,400 from him. If I was selling, I would have gone with him. But because the price is so high, I have to look for the one that the price is lower. And I'm seeing somebody here who is doing 1,399. So I prefer to buy from this person than to buy from this person, because this person is buying at a very high price. Do you understand? He's selling at a very high price. So for me to buy from him means I'm buying $1 for 1,405 Naira. And there's somebody here who is selling for me at 1,399. If I was going to sell to him, let's assume I have some USDT I want to sell, I'll go for the one that is buying it at a very high price. Do you understand? But in this case, I am buying. So you don't want to use your money to buy something very expensive. So you go for the one that is cheaper. This one is cheaper than this one. So I'm going to buy from this guy. So to buy from him, I'll just click on buy. Once I click on buy, it will load like this. Then you now put the amount you want to buy here. Then you put, you will see the number of USDT you will receive. If you put the amount here, you see the number of USDT you receive here. So let's put the amount. So I want to buy 5,000 Naira worth of USDT. It will give me 3.57 USDT. Okay, I have some USDT already in this wallet, so I just want to buy small to show you how to buy. Then we'll add it up and send it to the wallet we want to send it. So if you are ready, you just click on buy USDT. So once you click on buy USDT, the account number of the trader will be displayed. You can now send the money to him through your account, and then you can wait for him to release the USDT. So the name of the trader is Emmanuel. This is the chart. Before you make any payment, click on the chart. Okay, before you click on pay, click on the chart to know his condition. Some people have ridiculous conditions, so click on the chart so that you can check what are his conditions. So see what he wrote here. Warning: I don't pay or accept third-party accounts. I won't have time to respond to your chat. Proceed with payment immediately. If my proper availability is showing green, it tells you I'm very much active to trade with you. Help me with positive review. Thanks for trading with me. So these are his conditions. If you are not going to pay the money through your personal account, don't bother to do it. Just cancel the trade with this guy, because he's not taking third party, meaning he's not taking a money from an account that is not your own. So you can't use POS to pay him. You can't use another person's account to pay him. You have to use the account that you registered here. Your name must reflect with what is here. So I'm okay with his condition. I'll just click on pay here. Okay, I'll click on pay. Then his account number will display. This is his account number. He's using OPay, and the account is 61 whatever. So I'll just click on it. Then I will minimize. Don't click on I have paid. Just minimize and go to your bank. Then make the payment from your bank. Then come back and click I have paid. So I'm going to pause the video here. Then I will go and make the payment and come back, and then we'll proceed. The normal process. All right, the payment has gone successfully. What I will do now is that I'll save the receipt. Okay, I'll click on receipt and save the receipt. Then also remember, don't put anything like Bitcoin or cryptocurrency or blockchain in the remarks, because Nigeria has a funny law. So I'll just click on receipt. Then I'll just screenshot the receipt, because I will have to send him the receipt. I'll just screenshot the receipt and keep. Then I'll exit. Then I'll go back to the MEXC platform. I'll go back to the platform. Okay, they're asking to put my password again. I'll put my password, verified. Then once I'm in, I'll go back to the trade. So I'm going back to the trade. If you just click on deposit again, just click on deposit again, click on P2P, you just click, you see the trade. You're on an active trade. So just click on this down here, order, where you have order. Just click on it. If you click on it, to take you back to where you stopped. All right, it's loading. Like I told you, the network can slow down sometime, but don't worry, just be patient. It's loading. Okay, so once you click on this order down here, you see it has opened now. The guy has even sent me a message, because the network has not allowed me to gain access all this while. Okay, so the guy has sent me a message. I guess he's trying to tell me to release. Okay, I have paid. So I'll just click I have paid. Then I'll wait for him to release the token. Okay, he has released the token. Okay, these are the token. All right, he has released the token. Sometimes it will take some time before he will release if he's not online. So be patient. This timer, there's a timer that is counting down here. Once it gets to 0, don't worry. The guy will release before the timer will count down to 0. Okay, but sometimes even if he doesn't count down to, if he count down to 0 and doesn't release, MEXC will take responsibility and they will get your funds for you. So don't be agitated or feeling like somebody has eaten your money. They are all under obligation to do the needful. If anybody defraud you here, they will be tracked. Okay, but however, be careful. So he has released a token. So if I like, I can rate him. Okay, I'll click on him now. I can rate him. Let me show you how to rate. You can click here to rate him. Rate your counterpart. I'll just say fast trading. If I want to post without my name, I'll post anonymously, but I just want to do confirm. I've rated him. Now that you have gotten USDT, what you need next is to change the USDT to BNB, because some business that you are doing will require BNB. Okay, So instead of sending the BNB to your wallet before you change it to instead of sending the USDT to your wallet before you change it to BNB, you can change it on your exchange here. To change it is very easy. Okay, if you click on, you go back from here, just go out of here. You are done with this place, just go out. Just go out. So what you want to do is you want to transfer that USDT you just bought from fiat. It's on fiat here. You want to transfer it from fiat to your spot trade so that you can swap it. Okay, so you click on wallet. If you click on wallet here, you will see the USDT you just bought. Look at it. You see the USDT 3.5. This is the USDT you just bought. So click on transfer. You click on transfer. I hope you are following the method. If you don't understand it, you can go back and watch it again. Click on transfer. Now look at what is showing you here. Spot and fiat. I mean spot and future. Okay, so you want to change this future to fiat. Change it to fiat because your money is in fiat. So once you do that and it's changed, look at this place. Once it's changed, you can now swap this place. So you are changing from fiat to spot. You are changing from fiat to spot. Don't forget. So, and I'm doing all. This is the total amount of USDT in this wallet. So click on all. Click on all. Once you click on all, this is it. Then you click on transfer. The reason why you are doing this transfer is so that you can trade your USDT for BNB. Do you understand? That's why you are doing the transfer. So now you can click on trade now. If you don't see this trade here, don't worry. I'll show you how you can see the trade. So now I can trade the USDT for BNB. All right. So in case you didn't see trade when you did that, you click on. If you come down here, you see trade. You click on trade. Currently, the trade is on this coin called Luncy. I don't want this coin here. I want to change it to BNB. So click on BNB USDT. Then search for BNB. Look at it here. I already searched it before. But if you don't see it here, you can search it here. Just click on here and put BNB. You'll see the option. Look at it here, BNB. Okay. So now I want to change my USDT that I have to BNB. All right. So it's more like I want to buy BNB, not sell. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to click here or click on this thing and drag it to the last because I want to change all. So just drag it to the end. Now there are two ways you can do this. It's either you do it through limit order or you do it through market order. All right. So if you click on this place where you have limits, you will see market order. Market order means sell it at the current price of the market. Limit order means sell it at my own terms. Do you understand? So this is the money I have, 3.52. I want to change it to BNB at this price. I don't want to use market order. I just want it to be, once it gets to 550.17, it should sell. Currently it's beyond that. So I can actually buy it. I can decide to say when it's less than this price, buy it for me so that I can have more quantity of BNB. Do you understand? Because if I buy it at this price now, the price is higher. So I want to buy it at a lesser price so I can choose from any of this price down here. So let's assume I choose from this price. Okay? I choose from this price, that's 0.8. I'll just click on buy. It will take a bit of your time if you use this method. But if you use market order, it will buy immediately. However, it may buy it at a higher price. Do you understand? So I have to wait to see the order has been created here. I have to wait for it to buy at this price I want. At this price of 0.550.08. That's the price I want you to buy. All right. If I don't want you to buy at this price, I can just cancel. Then I'll go here and click on market order. What it means is that once I drag this to the last point, it means that any price it is currently at the market, just buy it for me. Don't wait until it goes down or goes up. So once I click buy, now look at what will happen. Automatically, it has bought. You see, submit successfully. And look at if I scroll down my screen, you see order successful. Are you seeing it down here? Order successful. So I have bought. If you go to wallet, if you click wallet here, you will see the BNB that I just bought. Just refresh. This is the quantity of BNB I just bought. Look at it here. Are you seeing it now? So now I don't have USDT again. What I have now is BNB. It is this BNB now I will send to the wallet I want to use it. All right. So assuming I want to use it for ZenFi, I can just go to ZenFi wallet now. Just go to my token pocket. I go to my token pocket, wait for it to load. Then I'll click on the wallet I want to send it to. So this is the wallet I want to send this quantity to. Okay. So I want to send it to this wallet. So I'll click on this BNB here. Then I'll click on receive down here. Click on receive. Then I'll click on copy. This is the wallet address. I'll just copy the wallet address. Then I'll go back to that MEXC. Okay. Then where I have BNB here, I can click BNB here, or I will just click on withdraw. Okay. If you click on withdraw, look at what we show you. What it will show you. To show you different tokens in your wallet you want to withdraw. So I have different tokens here. I have CES, I have BNB, I have USDT, small USDT. I also have LUNC and others. Okay. So I want to click on withdraw BNB. So I'll click on BNB. Then I'll click on chain withdrawal. Then I'll paste that address I copied. You see the address I copied, I'll paste it here. That address I copied from my token pocket, I'll paste it here. Then I'll choose the network. The network is BNB Smart Chain. So you click on BNB Smart Chain BEP20. Then where you have all, you can click all. Okay. Look at the charges they will charge you. They will charge you 0.0042. So it's always better to buy plenty and send at once so that you don't keep getting charged. It's just because of the purpose of this training. That's why I'm transferring this small quantity. If not, I wait until it's much before I do this sending. All right. For some people that want me to buy BNB for them, I always tell them I can't buy anything less than 2,000 because by the time they remove the charges, you'll be able to have reasonable amount of BNB in your wallet. So I'll just wait for it to accumulate before I buy. Usually that's what I do. So this is the quantity you have. This is the quantity you are receiving because of charges. So once you are okay, you click on confirm. Always be sure of the address before you click confirm so that you don't lose money. So click confirm withdrawal. Then they will ask me for my password. Okay, some of you, they will ask you to verify through your email and others. But I already have my own password and I have my thumbprint. I'll just click on it and then withdrawal submitted. So you just refresh. After some time, the money will leave this wallet here and goes to your token pocket wallet. Then you can from there use it for whatever you want to use it for. Do you understand? This is a simple process of how to get your BNB in your wallet and how to get USDT. It's the same process. If you want to get USDT to your wallet, it's the same process. You click on withdraw, then you select USDT. This is what you're selecting. You're selecting USDT. Then you click on chain. Then you paste your USDT address. Of course, you know it's not the same with your BNB address. You go to your wallet again and copy your USDT address. Okay? You come here, you click here, and then you copy your USDT address. You click receive, then you copy the address. You confirm. Then you come here and paste the address. Then you paste the quantity you want to send. You also paste the network. Okay? There are different networks here. If you want to send BNB network, you click on BNB. If it is Polygon, whatever you want to do, you choose the network. Network is very important. Just like you now sending MTN airtime to Glow airtime, you know it will not work. So you choose the network. All right, be careful. Then you click on the quantity you want to send and then you click confirm. Do you understand? So it's the same process. So let's check if the quantity we send to the BNB we send to Token Pocket has come. Let's go back, refresh. Look at it has come. You know, I had small quantity of BNB here before, but now it's now 3.85. So the BNB has come here. So this is a simple method of how to get BNB to your wallet. All right. I hope this helps. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section and I'll take my time to answer the question. I have a video on this page where I shared how you can activate your ZenFi wallet. I have a video of how you can copy your link. I have a lot of videos on my page. Just take your time and go through them. This account is dealing with anything that has to do with cryptocurrency and the rest of them. I'll see you in the next video.